So what did you do? Where'd you go, sweetie, this weekend?
To camping.
It was your first time
Yeah.
camping?
Yeah.
And tell me about it. What's camping like?
It's like a fruit sweet.
It's what?
It's like a pickle.
It's like a pickle?
Yeah.
How is it like a pickle?
Because it's yummy.
It's yummy? Okay, what'd you do at camping?
See a petting zoo.
A petting zoo? What kind of animals?
Goats. Ostrich. Emus. And peacock. Turtle. And what else?
Chinchilla.
Chinchillas. Two parrots. Snake. Twin snake and what else snake?
Boa.
Boa snake.
And a corn snake.
And this one snake. What else I did?
What else did you do? Yeah.
I don't know.
Tell me. Where'd you sleep?
In a tent.
And what kind of sleeping bag did you have?
A night rider one.
And what'd you eat?
What?
What'd you eat there?
Pancakes. Bacon. Egg. And what else?
What'd you toast on the fire?
Marshmallows.
And did you make a little sandwich?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
And what kind of games did you play?
I don't know.
Did you play with friends?
Yeah.
What friends?
Johnson Joshua.
And
I made some new friend DJ.
yeah, and a new friend DJ. And then did you shoot arrows?
Yes.
Yeah. How'd you like doing that?
It was good.
Did you ride a bike?
Yes.
And race cars?
What a racer.
Derby cars?
Yeah. I just borrowed a derby car.
Yeah. Tell me about how do you toast a marshmallow, or how do you make a s'more?
You have to have a top sandwich with what's the s'more?
What do you have to do?
Put dinosaurs in it.
Dinosaur? What do you have to do? You have to go find a stick?
Yeah. Yes. And then we toast it and then we eat it. Like a s'more. End.
The end? You're all done? You like camping? You want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay. And where do you want to go next time? You want to go to a place that has a pool?
Yes.
And friends?
Yeah.
And bike riding?
Yes.
And what else?
I don't know.
Do you have anything else you want to say about camping?
I want to talk about dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs? Okay, what do you want to say about dinosaurs?
Like they eat meat.
They eat meat? Which ones eat meat?
T-Rexes.
How do you know he eats meat?
Because he has sharp teeth. Because he's a carnivore.
Oh, really? And what do herbivores eat? The ones with flat teeth?
Leaves. Yeah.
Yeah.
What pterodactyls eat?
Fish, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, pterodons do.
Pteranodons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pterodactyls don't.
Yeah.
No.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
Stegosaurus.
What's my favorite?
Triceratops.
What's Daddy's favorite?
T-Rex.
Yeah. Anything else you want to talk about?
I'm talking about